Awards 2026 for excellence in design, innovation and education. This is a huge achievement. Our students and faculty have proudly worked on prestigious government projects including the Special Rescue Uniform Design Project, SRG Momento Design Project and SRG Uniform Design Project, for which we were honored by respected ADG of Uttar Pradesh, Ms. Padmaja Chauhan Madam. SFI has also been the design partner of Red Carpet Crown of India and the event partner of Femina Miss India Uttar Pradesh auditions. Providing our students with remarkable industry exposure through collaborations with IPRA, Khadi Organization, Artisan, export houses, designers and government bodies, along with our commitment to sustainability, AI-driven education, research and women empowerment, we continue to create opportunities that prepare our students for national and global success. These achievements are not just our success stories, they are opportunities that now belong to you. The next award, the next innovation and the next breakthrough could proudly carry your name. My message to each one of you is simple. Dream fearlessly, create passionately, learn continuously, remain humble and never stop believing in yourself. Success is never accidental, but it is with discipline, dedication and determination. And here are the examples of truly with the discipline, determination and success. So these are the visionary leaders who have achieved success through their determination, discipline, and they have achieved success. They will share their stories, how they have grown their industry, their design experience, and this will be really a gainful session for all of you, that you will reach the heights in the design career. As we begin this beautiful journey together, let us remember, नई ऊर्जा के साथ उठाया हर कदम नई मंजिलों की ओर ले जाता है. मेहनत की सुई और सपनों का धागा वह करगा है जिस पर सफलता का कपड़ा बुना जाता है. Dear students, welcome to the family that believes in your dreams, nurture your creativity and empowers you to become the leaders of tomorrow. Welcome to Satyam Fashion Institute family. Let us begin this एक नया सफर with confidence, creativity and innovation. The limitless ऊर्जा. Thank you so much and Jai Hind. Over to you, Dr. Supriya.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such inspiring and motivational words. Request our esteemed ma'am as we welcome our guest of honor, renowned designer Ms. Tanmaya Manish, an icon of Indian fashion and sustainable design. May I request our esteemed principal ma'am to kindly do the honors of felicitation. Thank you so much, Tanmaya ma'am, for joining us on this occasion. Ms. Tanmaya Manish is an accomplished fashion designer, known for her innovative approach to contemporary fashion, blending creativity with craftsmanship. With expertise in design development, trend forecasting, and sustainable fashion practices, she has made a significant contribution to the industry through her distinctive collection and collaborations. Her work reflects a perfect balance of artistic expression and commercial relevance. Thank you, Tanmaya ma'am, for joining us. Before we open the panel for panel discussion, we will be doing a soft launch of the newsletter of Satyam Fashion Institute, Noida. It's a quarterly newsletter where we cover the achievements, the activities and the events, and under the leadership of our principal, Dr. Neetu Malhotra ma'am, the kind of collaborations we do in the industry. So we will be doing the soft launch of the newsletter of Satyam Fashion Institute, The Buzzing Bee. We'll be doing a quick photo op of the newsletter launch. for the panel discussion. Request the volunteers to kindly hand over the mic. It's a special day of Orientation Day 2026, and we have the visionary leaders of the design institutes and design industry, where they are today going to share their valuable insights. Ma'am, I request you all to start with your journeys probably. That will be something which will totally motivate the students. How you all started?
I request Shashi Nangia ma'am, so please share your experience, how you started ma'am, your journey.
A very good afternoon to all the children. See, when I look at all of you, it reminds me of the days when I used to teach students. Now, it's a big question that from teaching, how did I enter textiles and how did I get into the business of textiles? One thing which you people have to understand is that in case if you have made up your mind to do something in life, I know there's a lot of struggle there. See, with a teacher's background and getting into textiles, whenever I tell somebody about this, they would always ask me, ma'am, how did you get into this? See, if you are getting an opportunity, I got an opportunity, so I latched on to the opportunity by resigning from school and taking the plunge. Everything is risky. I knew that in school, if I would continue, I would have retired as a principal today. I'm 70 years of age now. So I could have retired as a principal, but the aptitude which I had or the learning which I wanted to do would have just subsided, it would have stayed within me. I got into the business. Initially, I didn't know. I went abroad in 1989. The person who told me to start with it first said, you come, see what I'm doing, and then maybe you can think about it. But I took the plunge. I resigned from the school. I went abroad. I had 2 small children. And let me tell you, I'm a single parent. I don't mind saying that. Because you see, people get dejected, people get depressed. Oh, how would I do without a man? But if you want to make impossible possible, everything is possible. So, in the initial stages, when you have to learn from somebody, you have to do everything. The person was related to me, it was a relative in the family. So you see, I used to be in London. I used to scrub the dishes also. I used to do the cleaning also of their house because I wanted to do something in life. I had made up my mind because my main focus was education. And to educate my children, you see, school wouldn't have helped me to send them abroad for their studies. My daughter studied in America, my son studied in UK. When I came back with an order of, I think this $500 or something like that. This was in 1990. Now how to start? I have no place. So then I just discussed with some of, you see, when I was teaching in DPS, I had some students' parents who were in the industry. So I just discussed with them. I got a little bit of help from them. I started from somewhere. And you will not imagine that in 3 years' time, Swati became a government recognized exporter. In 1995, we were given the National Award from the President of India. being a woman entrepreneur, there was a 237%. And then, of course, when you start, then you don't look back. There have been ups and downs. Let me tell you, the fashion industry has, at present, is facing a big turmoil. Let me tell you. And every 5 years, there has been a slump. But I never got disappointed. I've always thought maybe this is a blessing in disguise. Maybe there is something which I need to change or the industry needs to change. So then what happened? I started attending exhibitions. I used to go. I've traveled to almost 60 countries in the world. Holding exhibitions here and there, getting customers, and that is how the journey began. Today Swati Exim has a name. I have been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award by the Textile Minister this year. Which means, let me tell you, with children, looking after them, educating them, getting them married, whatever, has been a big, great task. But if I would have looked back, if I would have said, oh, I cannot do it, I would have been sitting here today. The best thing is that you people, I of course had no textile background, but you people are going to have a great textile background with such a good staff, because I can vouch for them, of all the staff of Satyam Fashion Institute, that you will definitely be learning a lot. Because I have been coming to this institute for the last 20 years. And children have been coming for their internship to my factory. I don't know the ones who have just come this year and left. I am a strict taskmaster. See, I don't spare and they know about it. So I'm very, very strict. But then at the end of the day, that strictness really works. Right? So your motto and your aim has to be to do and make impossible possible. Nobody is dull. No, let me tell you, nobody is dull. Everybody, God has given brains to everybody. But how you put them into practice? If you've just come here for a gala time that you're out of home, and you know, oh yes, we are in the boarding or we are in the hostel, so now we'll be free to enjoy life. That should not be the thought. The thought is that you have to achieve. So the persuasion is there, and please put your mind and soul. Your teachers are with you, everybody is with you, parents are with you. And of course, I will tell Madam that any time if she needs my assistance, I can come and inspire you. So I would like you, whatever you have started with, and there is a time, I would like all of you to come over to the factory, take a visit and see how things happen. But again, I will end up my inspiring lecture, I should say, by saying that do not get demotivated, do not get depressed. Things are going to change. There can be a change every day. But you have to carry on. Don't look back.
I would like to mention that these three dignitaries who are present with us, they have spared their precious time. And if you join their industry, so you have to be full of zeal, dedication, discipline, and the first prior thing is the hardworking person. Otherwise, there is no scope to join this industry. Am I true? Right. Give your opinion on that.
Yeah, of course. Listen, unless and until at the end of the day, dedication and hard work will pay. Nothing, see, when you are being offered food in a plate, unless and until you take the bite and you put it into your mouth, it's not going to reach your mouth. But some people think that fashion is a very, very glamorous subject and everything will be served on a platter. No. Today, there are many children who are into fashion and what works for them is something which they have put their efforts into, where they have created a niche for themselves. So the industry will definitely welcome you. But unless and until you dedicate your full time to this industry, you will not be able to achieve what you are here for.
Now I would like to request Dr. Neetu Singh ma'am to please share your views, your insights about this industry and the motivation you want to give to our students.
Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to all the new students. You have started a new journey, and from tomorrow you will have to decide, you will have to make a roadmap of 4 years of your education in this institute. Since Shashi ma'am has already narrated her journey, her experience, I'll just add my journey, my professional journey to all of you as a designer garment exporter. And you will be surprised to know that my professional journey I had started after my age of 35 years. After raising my 2 children, and best part that time I had no professional fashion degree. I was a physics postgraduate from Miranda House from Delhi University. So you can sense that passion for fashion. That gave me that motivation to start as a designer. And I started my journey with jewelry designing, because to design a jewelry was with very small investment, you can say. So first step must be passion for your profession, passion for your work. That's the most important thing. So just imagine a 35 years old housewife, a degree of physics, जिसका डिजाइनिंग से कोई लेना देना नहीं. So this must be the most motivating factor to all of you. Now the second thing, if you are interested in fashion, then creativity must be your tool. बहुत ही creativity, आपकी जो creativity है वो कभी मरनी नहीं चाहिए. So you have to learn, you have to study, you have to do research, you have to study research work. For fashion, research is also important. इंडिया में इतने तरह के आर्ट हैं. आप अपने स्टडीज में 4 इयर्स के अपने इस एजुकेशन में पैरेलल आप देखिए कि आप किस आर्ट एंड कल्चर से रिजोनेट करते हैं. देन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट, रिसर्च कीजिए और उसको अपने डिजाइनिंग में डालिए. व्हाट आई डिड द सेम. मुझे फेमिना में रखा गया, फेमिना मैगजीन में रखा गया. आई रिसीव मेनी अवार्ड्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ माई मधुबनी आर्ट. आई स्टार्टेड विथ मधुबनी आर्ट. मधुबनी आर्ट पेंटिंग के तौर पर किया जाता था, बट आई पुट माई एफर्ट इन मेकिंग इट विथ एम्ब्रॉयडरी. तो एक आप इसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट है, यू हैव टू सी दैट. इंडिया में इतने स्टेट हैं, फैशन इनोवेशन, लॉट्स ऑफ रिसर्च वर्क, और आजकल एक चीज बहुत पॉपुलर है, दैट इज AI tool. Start working with that tool from day one. Actually, this AI is a very smart assistant, very smart, secretary of a designer. ये competitor नहीं. You have have to think about your innovation. आप किसमें interest आपका है? Then use this AI to enhance it. And then you can create something out of the box. One more thing I would like to add here. What I have seen in the last 30 years, कोई भी top designer है who are showing their fashion show in Paris, in New York, they work on India's art and culture. कोई एक weaver से वो associated होते हैं, किसी एक village में वो बैठते हैं, वहाँ की चीज़ों को लेकर वो रनवे पे जाते हैं. What does it mean? It means कि आप जो एक सुनते होंगे vocal for local and then make it global. So you have a big platform to show your innovation, to show your creativity on stage of world. Day one से road map बनाइए, किस तरह का आप चाहते हैं डिजाइन क्रिएट करना, एम्प्लॉयमेंट या एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, ये दोनों चीजें आसानी से आपके प्रोफेशनल जर्नी का पार्ट हो जाएंगी. इफ यू ऑल विल बी willing to learn. One more thing, what I have seen in my factory, सत्यम फैशन इंस्टीट्यूट से हर साल बच्चे आते हैं इंटर्नशिप के लिए. इंटर्नशिप पर आप लोगों को बहुत मेहनत करनी चाहिए. It's not a kind of time pass and getting any certificate. No, it's not. It's a kind of industry exposure. So internship must be done very seriously by students. आप वहाँ 2 months में स्टिपेंड के बारे में सोचे बगैर earn some knowledge from the industry, from the factory. Dr. Neetu Malhotra, ma'am, has really done hard work. आप उन्होंने इतना अच्छा रिलेशन इंडस्ट्री से बना के रखा है कि अच्छी अच्छी फैक्ट्रीज में सत्यम के बच्चों को दे गेट इंटर्नशिप. What you have to just utilize those exposures during your this 4 years course. Above all, learning is the basic tool for success. अगर आप हमेशा रिसर्च करते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, लर्न करते हैं, हार्ड वर्क करते हैं, तो सिर्फ एक आप जॉब सीकर नहीं, जॉब प्रोवाइडर भी हो सकते हैं. फैशन इतना वास्ट है, जॉब सीकर टू जॉब प्रोवाइडर, ये आप अपने दिमाग में रख के अपनी जर्नी शुरू कीजिए. सो ऑल द बेस्ट.
So much, ma'am. Now I would like to request Tanmaya, Manish. So Tanmaya and Manish together. मैम सर तो आने ही पाए, तो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि आप जर्नी सर की और अपनी और थोड़ा सा मोटिवेशन टेक्सटाइल्स के बारे में, फैशन के बारे में, कैसे सर ने जो रामलला के अयोध्या के गारमेंट्स डिज़ाइन किए, उनके जो वस्त्र डिज़ाइन किए और जो जर्नी है उनकी, इतना सारा वर्क, एक साल की इवेंट्स एक्टिविटीज़, और अब सर जो है नेशनल एडवाइज़र भी बन रहे हैं, तो वो सब शेयर करेंगे बच्चों के साथ.
So, hi everyone, and you are privileged to be there in such a big institution. For me, it was very tough to explain my parents that I want to do fashion. So आपके लिए तो बहुत easy हो चुका है, बहुत ज़्यादा. मैं मेरी थोड़ी सी ऐसे रोलर कोस्टर रहा है. I was doing engineering from Brahmasli विद्यापीठ and that too computer science. Till that time मुझे पता नहीं था, क्योंकि मेरे डिसीजंस मेरे फादर ले रहे थे. मुझे ये नहीं पता था मुझे एक्चुअली करना क्या है लाइफ में. मैं वहाँ पे पहुँची, फिर मुझे लगा कि नहीं, आई एम नॉट मेंट फॉर दिस, क्योंकि वो कोडिंग, वो चीज़ें शुरू हो गई तो वो मेरे ऊपर जाती थी. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि नो, आई एम नॉट मेंट फॉर दिस. I have completed my 2 years And then my father was okay, 1 year only left, उसके बाद internship है, and then he has allured me with a lot of things. You're going to go for US, you're going to do this, and from inside I was like, I'm not meant for this. Why you're not understanding? And then I took a escape route. I packed my bag. Actually मैं अनशन पे चली गई थी. I haven't eaten food for 5-6 days. मैंने कहा, and my father was like कि नहीं आना है और वहीं पे करना है, घर तो नहीं आना. Whatever you take, you have to be there. I left food. I became so thin. My brother came to Banasli and he's like, no, तू मेरे साथ चलो वापस. You're not going to do this. So my father was very angry. Then my brother actually asked me, करना क्या है तुमको लाइफ में? तो मैंने कहा, I don't know, but in my head I was like, I want to know history. So my brother told me, okay, let UK admissions were on. I had touchwood, I had good marks. My brother was like, okay, fine, let's do it. Then there were 2 options, BA programming and honors. Then I chose honors. In my 3rd year, I was actually that I want to do fashion, and I used to sketch. I used to go to Chandni Chowk to see each and everything. I used to make my own clothes just to tell my father that I want to be this. So then I had passed my university, and then I went there, and that somewhere has changed my life. In that also we have in fashion a lot of things. A lot of things, and there also I discovered कि मैं कहाँ पे अच्छी हूँ, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. Even doing my main program course, I was doing evening courses also, like styling, 6 months course, and I was doing my your visual merchandising. After all of this thing, I understood, okay, fine, now I have to go into luxury. क्योंकि मैं कोई सामान अकेले भी बनाती थी तो सस्ता नहीं बनाती थी. Then my one of the teachers, my Kunlata ma'am told me कि no, you have to, अगर तुम्हारा दिमाग ऐसे चल रहा है, then go and study luxury. Then I went to FAD International for my luxury and brand management. 1 year program was there for the teacher. From there, I took a turn of my life, and I started, but then also it was not easy. My father, one day I have done all the work at night, and I told my father कि मुझे ना मैं बैंक से लोन ले लूँगी, मैं ऐसे कर लूँगी, मुझे आपके पैसे की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो मेरे पापा बोलते हैं कि, and then my father has used his mind, कहते हैं वो लोन लोगे तो तुम्हें EMI देनी पड़ेगी, तो तुम एक काम करो, मैं ही तुम्हें लोन देता हूँ. I worked 7 days back to back. I have presented him 7 outfits with my presentation. And then he invested 10 lakh rupees, and then he said, COVID आ गया, and then he said कि अब ठीक है, now you will get married. हो गया, ठीक है, done. My all 6 months money was being closed. I was pushed to marry an IAS officer. So it how it became, and then I had obviously Manish sir was into my head. I knew only he will give me a space to work. We knew each other. We met, we have done things, grown up. Touchwood, I was very lucky that I got a husband like him. We both grown today, and we have done a lot of things, like Sam has told. The force behind sir is me, who is looking after everything back end, and sir is free to do whatever. We have done Ramlala. By doing Ramlala, Ayodhya, we have promised to ourselves that we will revive the textile. The textile which we are getting forgotten, the small, like ma'am has told, the small villages are there. We have started from doing that, and we have grown, we are doing much better, and we are working with Assam, we are working on many of the things. It's a very big project, we are taking it forward. So anything, it is something, I just say कि dedication should be there. Obviously ma'am has told both of ma'am, there is no space for anxiety, depression in anything. It's very important in field work.
So ma'am, they are very lucky. Like आपने जैसे बताया 4 years के बाद आपने किया, तो इन्होंने तो अभी 4 year B design and PG course 2 years join किया M design. तो अभी starting में इन्होंने right से start कर दी, because in B design the degree program includes the graduation also. So they are very lucky. And
Actually, you
they
guys are
very
very, yes, you guys are very lucky. हमारे मतलब obviously lot of colleges were there, but one incident happened with me. I will tell you. मैं जब NIFT में apply करने के लिए था, तो my father made sure that I meet Ritu Kumar, and I shouldn't be saying that, she demotivated me. कि मैंने उसको बोला, if not NIFT, can I join Pearl Academy? She told me very clearly, no, NIFT is everything. If you're going to join NIFT, then we regard NIFT. मैंने NIFT किया, but मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा रहा है कि मैम के भी स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट, मैं NIFT वाले बच्चों को हमेशा साइड में रखती हूँ, मैं आप सारे
Yes, very
बच्चों को
true.
करती हूँ. It's not only NIFT can do, you can also do.
Yes.
प्लीज जितना ज़्यादा फील्ड वर्क करोगे ना, जितना आपको छोटी छोटी जगह हम भेजते हैं या काम कराते हैं, वो में हम आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग बना रहे हैं.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट सारे निफ्ट करते रहते हैं.
Please.
सत्यम फैशन इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा अब जो बीट डिजाइन एंड डिजाइन प्रोग्राम है AICTE अप्रूव्ड है. पूरे दिल्ली NCR में कोई कॉलेज नहीं है मैम जो कि AICTE अप्रूव्ड बीट डिजाइन एंड डिजाइन रन करो, एंड NEP कोर्सेज है 9 and 7. So and all the government projects we did.
So
She's very rightly saying that NIFT is not the only thing. You see, the thing is that just by getting the brand NIFT, people get it into their head. And if you employ, like I have also employed people from NIFT, but I find that they are not as hardworking and not so good in their work because it is there in their head that I'm a NIFTian. Then when you people employ from other institutes, there are children from Pearl, there are children who come from Satyam. So I would prefer, because you see they have that ground, they are so grounded that they can do anything, whatever you are expecting from them.
Same here, same experience like ma'am said. आप जितनी मेहनत करेंगे, जितनी बार आप शांति मोहल्ला और चांदनी चौक जाएंगे, it will add your experience. तो ग्राउंड वर्क जितना ज़्यादा होगा, आगे आपका प्रोफेशन उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा.
मैम मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था कि इंडस्ट्री में जैसे इंटर्नशिप स्टूडेंट्स प्रेफर करते हैं, स्टार्टिंग में ही उनको स्टाइपेंड मिल जाए या पेमेंट मिल जाए, और जाते ही वो सोचते हैं यस हम डिज़ाइनर बन जाए, मर्चेंडाइजर बन जाए, और जो उन्हें फैब्रिक की फील्ड वाला जैसे थ्रेड्स कटिंग या आपको फैब्रिक सोर्सिंग करनी है, कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है और कितना उन्हें डाउन टू अर्थ रहना चाहिए बिकॉज दे हैव स्टार्टेड देयर डिज़ाइन करियर, कितना उन्हें मोटिवेशन इस चीज़ में रखना चाहिए, हमें आगे सक्सेस मिलेगी जितना हम रिसर्च वर्क करेंगे. प्लीज़ आपने थोड़ा सा इसके.
See, when you are going for internship, I don't know about other industries, but as far as I'm concerned, जो 2 महीने की बेटे आप लोग internship करने के लिए आते हो, I divide it into all the departments, and I ensure that you start from the pattern stage first, because वहीं से आता है जहाँ से प्रोटो बनता है. पहले हर बायर एक प्रोटो बनवाना चाहता है, तो वहाँ पैटर्न स्टेज से शुरू करते हैं. 1 हफ्ता आप पैटर्न में लगाएंगे, 1 हफ्ता फिर उस सैंपल को डेवलप होने में लगाएंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले आपको फैब्रिक के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. तो फैब्रिक के लिए आई एटलीस्ट गिव 2 weeks where you people go into the fabric department and see क्या जो मेरा क्वालिटी वाला बंदा है उससे फैब्रिक के बारे में पूछते हैं, उसका GSM पूछते हैं. फैब्रिक की अगर आपको नॉलेज नहीं है तो आप आगे, बिकॉज कैमरिक है, कैमरिक 4 तरह की हो सकती है, 60s कैमरिक है, 100 by 100 है. सो all these count constructions are very very important for you to know, right? And as I said, in case like if you are working on a fabric called cambric, as she said that AI is also playing a very important role, you can always put it onto that chat GPT and check on how many types of cambrics are there. And let me tell you, I'm learning that today also after so many years. There are certain things which are coming new and you need to innovate yourself with that. उसके बाद आपको हर डिपार्टमेंट में जब आप जाएंगे फिनिशिंग की स्टेज तक, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि इस तरह से काम होता है। लेकिन ये सोच कि मुझे यहाँ से कुछ मिले, वो इंडस्ट्री दे देती है, कोई बात नहीं देती है तो भी कोई बात नहीं। आपका काम है सीखना। डोंट थिंक अबाउट मनी टिल you have graduated and you have added some values to your whatever education you are imbibing from here.
Yeah. Only one sentence I will add here. Just keep in mind, your learning is your earning. हर 2 महीने में जो आप सीखेंगे, हर साल जो आप इंटर्नशिप करेंगे, वो आपकी अर्निंग है, वो आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट है। सो डोंट थिंक कि आपको अच्छी कंपनीज पे करेंगी। आप वहाँ जा रहे हैं अच्छी कंपनी में सीखने के लिए। तो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड योर लर्निंग इज योर अर्निंग, सो डोंट आस्क फॉर मनी फ्रॉम द कंपनी।
So, I just believe in, I just tell you also what is my belief, because मैम लोग का तो बहुत बड़ी जर्नी है। मैं 15 साल पहले शायद ऐसे बैठी थी आपके साथ। जितना हार्ड वर्क फील्ड में होगा, जितना पेन आप लेंगे, उतना ही इलस्ट्रेशन में जो आपने उतारा है वो आप सामने उतार पाओगे। बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ईजी। आप जो स्केच करते हैं आप वो उतार नहीं पाते। तो रियलिस्टिक होना with your vision is very important at the end of the day. It's not only sketching is a fashion. Everything is added. और मैं बेसिकली एक चीज़ हमेशा देखती हूँ कि आप लोग जब अपना लास्ट ईयर का प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं तो कम से कम पैसे में हो जाए, कम करें, उससे पता है फिर वो माइंडसेट आपका हमेशा वही बन जाएगा। So you have to decide कि आपको boutique work करना है या fashion design करना है। So that open thought should be there, and creativity is the representation of your clearance by heart. जितना clear रहेंगे आप from inside, उतनी creativity आपकी बाहर दिखेगी। I just say this.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, ma'am, when I talk about the fashion communication, lifestyle accessory designing and textile designing, so ma'am आप हिजाब and scarf और सर तो टेक्सटाइल्स में प्योरली हैं, तो यहाँ पे टेक्सटाइल के स्टूडेंट्स भी हैं और लाइफस्टाइल एक्सेसरीज के भी हैं, क्योंकि उसमें बैग्स, फुटवेयर्स, ज्वेलरी, स्कार्फ, फर्नीचर सब आ जाता है। तो कितना इंडस्ट्री में डिमांड है टेक्सटाइल्स का और फैशन कम्युनिकेशन का, ग्राफिक्स का, सो उस पर थोड़ा सा।
Since I am a manufacturer and exporter, तो मेरा जो डोमेस्टिक मार्केट है जहाँ पे हेवी गारमेंट्स, एसेसरीज, उनका जो एक आउटलुक है वो कम है, लेकिन मैं आपको इंटरनेशनल मार्केट के बारे में बताती हूँ। गारमेंट्स इज जस्ट वन प्रोडक्ट, एसेसरीज में भी बहुत स्कोप है। What I said, at 16 years back I had started with just a jewelry, just a pair of earrings. Accessories आप करेंगे, बैग करेंगे, स्कार्फ्स करेंगे, इसमें भी अब डिमांड इंटरनेशनल मार्केट एंड डोमेस्टिक मार्केट दोनों में है। तो डोंट जस्ट थिंक अबाउट गारमेंट्स, आप ऐसे सोचें, जब आप मॉर्निंग में कॉलेज जाने के लिए, इवनिंग में कहीं पार्टी में जाने के लिए यू गेट रेडी, which products you need to beautify your personality, not only garments. So accessories भी उतना ही important है। सिर्फ जैसे बार बात हो रही है क्रिएटिविटी की, इनोवेशन की, आप खुद भी जब तैयार होते हैं, the way you get ready, आप कैसे अपने चीज़ों में एक समानांतर बैठाते हैं। आप रेड के साथ पिंक पहनते हैं या रेड के साथ आप ब्लैक पहनते हैं। तो इनोवेशन और आपकी क्रिएटिविटी वो एसेसरीज डिजाइनिंग से लेकर गारमेंट्स तक वो काम आएगी। तो डिमांड तो एसेसरीज की भी है, चाहे बैग्स हो या ज्वेलरी हो या एक स्कार्फ हो। यहाँ जो भी आप लोगों को पढ़ाया जाएगा, आई डोंट नो अबाउट द एंटायर सिलेबस, बट जैसे प्रिंसिपल मैम ने कहा कि एसेसरीज पार्ट भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है जितना फुल डिजाइनर गारमेंट।
मैम टेक्सटाइल्स के बारे में कुछ सो टेक्सटाइल्स के लिए एक हम लोग एज वी ऑल नो वी आर बीइंग रूल्ड बाय ब्रिटिशर्स, तो समवेयर इट इज़ इनटू आवर डीएनए एंड इट इज़ इनटू आवर हेड कि बाहर का ही टेक्सटाइल वैल्यूबल है और हम अपने घर के टेक्सटाइल को वैल्यू नहीं करते हैं विच हैव वेराइटी। सो वेयर आई टेल यू बिफोर राम मंदिर I was in London for 1.5 months. मैं कोई पार्टी नहीं कर रही थी, मैं वहाँ सिर्फ और सिर्फ हर छोटी छोटी जगह पे ये जाके जाना कि काम कैसे होता है। I was in Scotland. वहाँ इतने छोटे छोटे पर्सन आकर हेरिस्टूट के पोस्ट बने हुए थे। Whole night I worked. Next day I called Manish sir and I told him कि यार ये हम यहाँ नहीं कर सकते। Then he told me कि यार ये यहाँ से ही जाता है। तो मैंने कहा कि अरे ये यहाँ से जाता है तो why I am paying? तो कहते कि you know I won't do for those things. I get all those things to small सामान छोटा छोटा खरीद के वापस इंडिया आई। This time we got the opportunity to work with Ladakh and those bags. We have done bags, shoes, we had done jackets, and then we have decided कि हमें अपनी टेक्सटाइल कितनी वैल्यू करनी। सेम विद राम मंदिर, हम सारी वो टेक्सटाइल्स उठा रहे जो सच में नहीं है, जिन पे काम करने वीवर्स हैव स्टॉप वर्किंग ऑन इट बिकॉज दे आर सो कॉस्टली। It is my request for everyone, please value your textile. It is very much valuable. बाहर बहुत महंगा बिक रहा है, हमारे पास से ही जा रहा है, हमारे डिज़ाइन हमारी एम्ब्रॉयडरीज बाहर जा रही है which is multiplied with the brand tag and it is being you guys only एक टाइम के बाद आपको कहोगे फाइन आई एम होल्डिंग दिस बट आपको यही नहीं पता कि इंडिया से जा रहा है। तो प्लीज़ इस चीज़ को ना जितना ज़्यादा आप ये समझेंगे दैट वी आर रिच इन कल्चर, वी आर रिच विद आवर टेक्सटाइल बिकॉज इन हिस्ट्री I have learned this कि how much rich we are with this. Textile is everything. जहाँ का मन है वहाँ उठाइए, जितनी बार उठाना है। छोटी स्टेट्स जाइए, जितने भी स्टेट्स हैं, प्लीज़ घूमने के पर्पस से नहीं कि मैं पहाड़ों पे चला गया लेट्स क्लिक अ पिक्चर। प्लीज़ गो एंड टॉक अबाउट द नेटिव पीपल हाउ दे डू वर्क। कि हर जगह आप छोटा सोने लेके आते हैं घर पे, उन्होंने बैग लेके आए बट यूज़ कभी नहीं करते, और उसके पीछे की स्टोरी जानने की ज़रूरत है। और जब आप स्टोरी समझोगे तभी आप, जैसे मैम ने बोला, कि आप काम दे पाओगे।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Shashi ma'am, I would like to ask you one thing कि जब हम फैशन कम्युनिकेशन की बात करते हैं, if like we have to sell any product, any garment, so how graphic designing or an advertising or visual merchandising, display of a product and how you communicate about the product, this matters in this industry.
You see, as far as garments are concerned, because I'm mainly doing garments, so garments also has categories. आजकल पहले यहाँ पे शायद नाइट वेयर का इतना वो नहीं था, पीपल वर नॉट केयरिंग कि भाई रात को क्या पहन के सोना है, बट इन इंडिया नाउ दिस हैज स्टार्टेड कि नाइट वेयर का बहुत प्रचलन हो रहा है। सो वी एडेड दैट सेगमेंट ऑफ नाइट वेयर टू आवर गारमेंट्स एंड देन उसके साथ आपका सी पीपल अर्लियर नेवर यूज्ड टू गो फॉर वेकेशन, हॉलिडे में कोई बहुत कम लोग जाया करते थे, पर अभी तो एक तरह का ट्रेंड बन गया है। स्कूल में भी जाके डिस्कशन होती है, माय ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन आर आस्क्ड कि भाई तुम कहाँ छुट्टी मना के आए, तो कोई कहेगा कि मॉलडीव गए, कोई कहेगा कहीं गए। तो स्विमिंग का बहुत शौक है आजकल बच्चों को, बड़ों को नेचुरली जब जाएंगे। तो रिजॉर्ट वेयर इज अनदर एडिशन to this industry, resort wear, where we are making nice kaftans with a lot of work on it, or plain ones, you know, which they can use as for the swimming and everything when they go as cover-ups. So what my don't only think कि garment see एक वो है, कैटेगरीज बहुत है गारमेंट्स के अंदर भी, और मेन है उसमें व्हाट फैब्रिक्स आर forecasted for the next 27-28. The buyers have started working on the garments for 27-28, and then it comes to colors. What colors, what textures. So you see, just by reading कि भाई आपने पढ़ लिया कि अगले साल या टेक्सटाइल व्यू आती है, उसमें पढ़ लिया कि अगले साल ये फैब्रिक चलेगा, ये होगा, आपको जाके मार्केट में स्टडी करना, बिकॉज हर चीज अवेलेबल है। ये लोग हाँ बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो वहीं से बेटे आप लोगों को शुरुआत करनी है, क्योंकि हर चीज़ एक चीज़ कोऑर्डिनेट करती है दूसरी चीज़ के साथ। ये नहीं है कि भाई अगर मेरे पास से, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू सी व्हेन आई started attending exhibitions, the first time when I went to the Paris Fair, the Pret-a-Porter, that was way back in 1994, I didn't know how to display my garments, you know. मैंने अपनी तरफ से बना तो लिए, लेकिन किसी का ट्राउजर है तो किसी की स्कर्ट है, किसी का टॉप है तो किसी का। From there I learned that every color or every print should have 5 garments: a top, a tunic, a dress, a trouser, and the 5th one was a skirt, right? So that is where you pick up things. So I picked up a lot from there. Coordination colors की क्या है? अब पीले के साथ आपने नीला लगा दिया तो वो चलेगा नहीं. Your stand has to look very very coordinated so that it is eye catching. By paying lots of money to get stands built up, it's not going to work. It is your mind which is going to work as to how you are going to coordinate that. And of course अभी तो सब डिजिटल प्रिंटिंग का जमाना आ गया है. कोई अभी ये रोटरी तो सब बंद हो गई, हम लोग तो सब डिजिटल प्रिंटिंग करते हैं, उसमें फ्लॉलेस होती है. तो yes, if they want to visit a printing factory, I can arrange that also.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So coordination and communication. Communication सिर्फ बोलने से नहीं होगा. एक गारमेंट की communication दूसरे गारमेंट के साथ होती है. ठीक है? If anybody wants to ask anything, you are most welcome.
Yes.
And one point I would like to add, so all of you can start thinking on it. 4 साल में जब आप पास आउट होंगे, अभी सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड रिसाइक्लेबल प्रोडक्ट्स की इतनी बात हो रही है, इतनी डिमांड आ रही है, और हम लोग भी एक्सपोर्ट में जब बल्क प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं तो मेनी ऑफ आवर बायर्स दे डिमांड रिसाइक्लेबल प्रोडक्ट्स, सस्टेनेबल फैब्रिक्स. तो आप उसको भी अपने दिमाग में रखिए. हम लोग कॉटन के बहुत सारे ब्लेंड्स की बात करते हैं, हमेशा शाइनी प्रोडक्ट, हमेशा चाइना से इंपोर्ट किया हुआ प्रोडक्ट डोंट यूज. कॉटन हो, टेक्सचर्ड हो, साउथ इंडिया इतना रिच है, आप सस्टेनेबल एंड रिसाइक्लेबल इन कैटेगरीज पे भी काम कीजिए. डिजाइनिंग के साथ अगर नेचुरल फैब्रिक्स हम लोग यूज करते हैं तो उसकी डिमांड, उसकी कॉस्टिंग चाहिए पड़ती है. तो आई क्विकली एडेड दिस वन पॉइंट.
Thank you so much. मैं कुछ आप लोगों को एक टिप देना चाहूँगी रिगार्डिंग दी AI. कुछ लोग समझते हैं कि AI का यूज़ अच्छा नहीं है, कुछ समझते हैं कि AI, अब इंडस्ट्री में जो डिमांड आ रही है वो ये आ रही है कि स्टूडेंट को AI आना चाहिए. So always remember one thing, use of AI is not bad, right? How you are using the AI, whether you are using ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Notebook, कुछ भी आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं, अगर आप उसमें अपना माइंड इनकलकेट कर रहे हैं, if you are giving a prompt, design 5 garments for ethnic wear, this is not good. This is not your design. But if you are giving a prompt that please design a garment, ethnic wear garment with cotton fabric and with the Varli art print, and the Varli art print will include the sequence work, at the border of the lotus motif. And then at the border, at the edge of the gown, you have been like adding hakoba lace. And then the color will be according to the forecast 2027. And this should be inculcated with the Mughal art. And you are using the inspiration for the Mughal art theme, and the client will be, the age group will be 20 to 25, and this will be feasible for the Indian market. So you have to mention all the prompt in your AI techniques. So that will be your design. अगर आप डायरेक्टली मेंशन कर देते हैं कि प्रॉम्प्ट देके कि डिज़ाइन करिए 5 गाउन्स, तो वो आपका डिज़ाइन नहीं है. मगर अगर आप अपना ब्रेन यूज़ करके, इफ़ यू आर नॉट लाइक गुड इन स्केचिंग, डोंट वरी, जैसे मैम ने बताया, तन्या मैम ने, कोई आप में से स्केचिंग में अच्छा होगा, कोई इलस्ट्रेशन में अच्छा होगा, कोई कंप्यूटर्स में अच्छा होगा, कोई एक्सेसरी डिज़ाइनिंग में अच्छा होगा, देन टेक्सटाइल्स में होगा. हर किसी में कोई ना कोई खूबी है, जैसे मैम ने भी बताया, शशि मैम ने, नीतू मैम ने. तो आप लोगों को अपनी खूबी पहचाननी है. आप में क्या खूबी है. अगर किसी पॉइंट में आप लैक कर रहे हैं, तो यू कैन यूज AI, बट यू हैव टू गिव द राइट डायरेक्शन फॉर द प्रॉम्प्ट. Learn all the techniques, whether it is manual or it is computer aided or you are using the AI, because future demands AI. So, but you have to find yourself, your true identity, and you have to develop your portfolio, which will define your identity, your skills, your creativity. Thank you.
My sincere thanks to all our esteemed guests, dignitaries, for sharing your wisdom and valuable experiences. So, yes, ma'am. So now the house is open for the question and answer round. Megha ma'am, I'm just passing on the mic.
have to leave for some urgent work, so
Students who want to ask question to Shashi Nagia ma'am, you're requested to start with your Q&A. Over to students now. The house is now open for Q&A session.
Questions for Shashina?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Shivani Raghab from BDZ. My question is for Shashina. How important teamwork and professional ethic is important in fashion industry?
How important is teamwork and professional ethics?
Professional ethics.
कहूँ कि मैं आज इस स्टेज पे पहुँची हूँ, अकेले पहुँची हूँ नहीं बेटा. You have to make a team which is as, you see, you have to devote, people have to be like that. So you have to be very careful in making your team, because people will not stay with you forever, right? So when you are, and you should be heading the team, so that your team knows what is required from them and how they are going to, because without teamwork you cannot go ahead. And of course ethics. Ethics is very important. And when you say ethics, for me ethics is discipline also. You have to be true to yourself and you do justification to what you are doing. So does that answer your question or not?
टीमवर्क की बात करें तो ये इवेंट पॉसिबल हो पाया है सभी के एफर्ट से.
Students
Entire team is organizing this event. Either it is Dr. Supriya ma'am or Nitin sir or Rashi ma'am, Megha ma'am, Nili ma'am, Nishika ma'am. So everyone has done their work, right? So teamwork से event possible हो पाए and the students will be presenting the show. So this shows the team for the success of any event.
Thank you, Shashi ma'am, for guiding us again and all the dignitaries. Also, thanks to our media fraternity for sparing their valuable time for this event. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sonia. I would like to ask question: how can I build strong and effective network while still being a student?
See, first of all, let me tell you, you have to create the network amongst yourselves, right? And then when you visit the industry, you will be visiting industries in the course of time. You will come across people, you will come across industry, the people who are working in the industry. So that is how you have to create a network. How do you create a network? It has to be either like, say for example, if I am attending exhibitions, if I am going and displaying, I meet a lot of people. So that is how I create my network. So first of all, like they say, you see, there's a saying which of course is not applicable here. When somebody tells me that मैम यहाँ पे कुछ देना है, मतलब कोई बेसहारा लोग हैं, कुछ हैं. So you see, I educate the children of my workers, which means charity begins at home. So your networking will have to start first amongst yourselves, right? You have to imbibe. Maybe somebody is good at something, you are good at something, so you have to imbibe from each other. That is how the networking will start, and as you go ahead, you will create a network for yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right?
Can we have the next question, please?
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Silpi, and I am the student of Bachelor of Fashion Design from Satyam Fashion Institute. Today is our orientation program, and I would like to ask question to Shashi ma'am. This question was, how can young designer balance creativity with commercial success?
Means how can a designer?
How can young designer balance creativity with commercial success?
Commercial success. So I'm sure when you must be visiting malls or you must be going to the shops to buy stuff for yourself, you see the youngsters. At present what is happening is that the youngsters do not want to carry on with the same garments every day. See, you go to the Zara shop in Spain, you go to all these which are catering to the youngsters. When you are talking about commercial, so commercial में बेटे वो create करना है आपने, designer को वो create करना है कि क्या अच्छा लग रहा है. अब जब रनवे पे आप देखते हैं, किसी भी रनवे पे आप देखें जितने इंटरनेशनल शोज होते हैं, क्या किसी को आप देखते हैं वैसे कपड़े पहने हुए मार्केट में चलते हुए या डेली वेयर में देखते हैं? नहीं देखते हैं. आप लोगों ने क्या सोच के चलना है? आप अपना एज ग्रुप देखिए कि मेरा एज ग्रुप ये है, आज मैंने ये टॉप पहना है तो मुझे नहीं अगले 10 दिन ये नहीं पहनना. आई नीड अ चेंज. नाउ यू मस्ट हैव गॉन टू ज़ूडियो. ज़ूडियो में जाते होंगे आप लोग.
Yes, ma'am.
Zudio at present is doing the best because they are following the pattern of Zara. Zara के stores पे आप स्पेन पे जाइए, कहीं भी चले जाइए तो वहाँ स्टूडेंट्स की लाइन लगी होती है. क्यों? बिकॉज वो सस्ता लेते हैं, पहनते हैं, थोड़े दिन के बाद अगर यहाँ पे ज़ूडियो में 300 रुपये का टॉप है, अगर आपने 1 महीने के बाद भी उसको नहीं इस्तेमाल करा तो कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना, आपने और ले लेना है. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि आपका जो डिज़ाइन कमर्शियल आपको देखना चाहिए कि कमर्शियल मेरा क्या बिकेगा या मैं क्या डिज़ाइन करूँ जो कि कमर्शियली वायबल हो. जो हम लोग अपने डिज़ाइन के लिए लोग रखते हैं, सबसे पहले उनको ये बताते हैं कि कपड़ा ऐसा चूज़ करना कि मेरे को कस्टमर $6 से ज़्यादा नहीं देगा इसका या $7 से ज़्यादा नहीं देगा. तो उसको बैकवर्ड कॉस्टिंग करके आप लोगों को कॉस्टिंग की आती है. बैकवर्ड कॉस्टिंग करनी होगी कि भाई कपड़ा इतने का होगा, सिलाई इतने की जाएगी, इतना ये होगा और 10% कंपनी को दीजिएगी. तो कमर्शियली तभी आप वायबल होंगे जब आप मासेस को कैटर करें.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Shashi ma'am, for your valuable time. So, ma'am, I will be joining Neetu ma'am and Tanu.
Can we do a quick group photo walk? Can we have, I request all the students to kindly join the stage for the group photo walk.